Hi, this is Michael and welcome to a renovation which we've just completed here for Joy and Emerson. Beautiful renovations, turned out fantastic. We've taken down a wall and we've really opened up this entire space here. Used a shaker door style on a cherry in a grey tone which looks absolutely beautiful. Got a really good specification of appliances in here with a separate microwave and wall oven, and we've placed the cooktop over here in a separate island. Just a beautiful functional space that we're working with. Some great accessories. Of course, we've got the separate garbage and recycling that everybody would like to have nowadays. And then over on this side of the kitchen, this is where there's actually a walk-in pantry, but I've put together now some cabinet pantry, some nice roll-out shelves in here, and an awful lot of storage for your dry goods, etc. And seating here on this separate island. Everything's come together really great. So thanks to Joy and Emerson for using Legacy Kitchens. I really enjoyed working with you.